Well, a Crittenden County man is the first in our region and one of the first in the United States to receive the new COVID antibody therapy that was just approved for use last week. The FDA issued emergency use authorization of the new therapy, and that's to treat mild to moderate COVID cases. Local 24 News reporter Jenny DePrizio went one-on-one with the patient who received the infusion just this morning.
We're told the medicine first shipped out Friday night. 2 special treatment rooms were constructed over the weekend at Baptist, just in time for Andy Shepard to be the first person to get an infusion Monday morning.
It was very quick and painless and very easy, and I'm super hopeful that this is going to be the key to getting me better quicker.
Andy Shepard is talking about getting bamlanivimab. His outpatient treatment consisted of getting an IV infusion of the drug, which lasted about an hour. He then had to be observed for a second hour. Treatment took place in a negative pressure room that was built over the weekend.
Today it's been a lot better, so I'm hoping that it's the antibody treatment that's already starting to work on me.
Andy really is one of the first people in the country after the emergency approval of this to get the drug without being on a trial.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Stephen Threlkeld says right now, to get the drug, you need to qualify for treatment. Things like age and underlying conditions are factors.
It is designed for people who are not terribly ill to prevent them from requiring hospitalization.
So how does it work?
The main principle is that it takes antibodies and it gives them to a patient before they might have made all of their own. They bind to the virus, they put the virus out of business so that it can't infect other cells. And so the faster you can do that, the more likely you are to avoid some of those large immune problems later on in the game that would require hospitalization.
The medicine is similar to the therapy that was given to President Donald Trump when he was first diagnosed with COVID. It has to be given shortly after a person comes down with symptoms and is given one time through an IV. Because it's experimental, the therapy is still going through additional testing to establish its safety and effectiveness. Shepard is optimistic about the medicine, not only for him, but others.
You know, this is a great option to possibly help you stay out of the hospital.
Threlkeld says his main concern at this point, there being a limited supply of the drug for a while, which means someone may need this drug and it may not be available. Jenny DePrizio, Local 24 News.